How to share your WhatsApp channel. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can share the link of our WhatsApp channel, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically share our WhatsApp channel, go ahead and then open up WhatsApp. Once you open up WhatsApp, simply come to the updates tab from the bottom of the screen. Then right here you will be able to see the channels that you've created, so make sure to select that channel. As you select the channel, if you want to share the link for this channel to invite other people and gain your followers, click the channel link option over here. And right over here you should be able to see your channel link, or if you click on it, you will be able to copy or send them to all of the other people who are on your social media. You can also share it to your status, send the link via WhatsApp, or simply only choose to copy the link and send it to someone. This way you can share your channel link on WhatsApp. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end and see you in the next video.